The 10-inch car stereo offers seamless integration with both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to connect their smartphones effortlessly and enjoy hands-free operation. Equipped with high-definition front and rear dash cameras, the device ensures a wide-angle view and secure loop recording, enhancing safety and security on the road. The 9.3-inch high-definition touchscreen provides sharp and clear visuals, while real-time GPS navigation keeps you on track with accurate in-car voice guidance. Thanks to its plug-and-play installation, this stereo can be set up without any complicated wiring, making it accessible for all types of vehicles. As an all-in-one entertainment hub, it combines digital media playback, radio, and Bluetooth stereo functionalities, offering a comprehensive upgrade for older vehicles. With its FM transmitter and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily stream music and enjoy high-quality audio through your car speakers.